How to add blog to Squarespace. So right here, I've just logged into my Squarespace account and I've clicked on website, which has loaded up my Squarespace website. If we want to add a blog, then what we need to do is select the first option here from the left hand side. And then from the main navigation, we want to click on the plus sign and we'll be able to see collections and blog right here. So we can share stories, thoughts, and ideas. Once we click on blog, it's going to look like this and we can select our blog template. So I will do this first one here. And now, as you can see, we have added this blog page. So we can do our name and blog. And if we click anywhere, if we click back, then it's going to look like this. And we will have the blog overview here. Now, if we click on blog overview, we can edit this page directly here. And we can also add blog content here. So we can filter it by, and it will show us the different tiles. If we want to remove a tile, we will click on the three dots and delete it. Delete. And if we want to make changes here, we'll click on the three dots and we'll click on settings and we can change the image. We can do the different, or we can play with the different options here and basically customize this blog to your liking. So that's how you do it. That's how you create a blog page on your Squarespace website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.